That's right, I'm back in the city again. Back in the city, and for the first time I'll be heading over to Colon, that coast. I have not been over there as yet since I've been to Panama, and I'm joining a tour, a lady that saw the channel and was interested in what I was doing and said, hey, come along, I'm starting some tours. Her name is Joyce, and she's from the Blast Tour group. I'm going to be taking this tour with them and vlogging and taking some nice footage of the drive over to Colon and Portobello and taking stuff of the Caribbean side from this angle. So let's do this. Alright, so from what I understand, we came about halfway across the canal driving to go to a place called the Gamboa Rainforest. And I mean, it's a pretty nice vibe. We were able to see some monkeys, a nice crocodile. I was able to get a nice shot of that. And this is all part of the tour. And now we're heading across to the Caribbean side of the canal driving still. And I haven't been as yet. It should be pretty cool. And then we go get some lunch. It's a pretty cool tour so far. We're definitely staying on the Caribbean side tonight in a place called Portobello. And I think the name of the hotel is Casa Congo. And we're gonna get a little performance tonight of the Caribbean influence of Panama. So pretty excited about that, me being from the Caribbean myself. We got to Portobello yesterday about 3 p.m. and it has been very overcast and rainy since, so it's a bit difficult to get footage, but we are enjoying it anyway. It's a sleepy little town, active by day, very quiet by night, but they have some pretty cool forts that we're going to check out today. And now we're going for a boat ride that will show us a couple of the beaches around, but I'm not taking the drone or anything like that because the boat is not covered and I don't want to get anything wet, so I'll just be taking this little GoPro and making the most of it. Let's go! Okay, let's talk about it. I am seeing a lot of interest in the comments about people coming to visit, people coming to consider relocating and want to rent somewhere, or just people who flat out want to relocate and buy property here, asking me about properties, the different areas to live in and so on. So My sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate, has given me an email address that you can reach out to me, and I can channel you to the right people, the right properties, and so on, so you can get your dream location and your dream home or your dream property. Be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo.com, and we'll get right back to you with all the information that you will possibly need for finding property here and possibly relocating. So I have an incredible team that I'm working with. Shoot me that email and I will get you the right person. I'm very thankful to these folks at Inside Panama Real Estate for giving me the opportunity to provide you, my subscriber base and my viewers, with the information that you would need to relocate and find the properties that you so desire. Thanks, folks. Okay, so we're back on the Pacific side. We're in Coronado right now. Portobello did us a little dirty with the weather. The sun never really came out and it never really showed the place like its true potential. So I guess I'll have to go back and do some more when the sun is out. But all in all, a really good trip. We had a nice dinner and then we shot out of there this morning. So the journey continues. So now we're in Valle, Anton, and it's a place, it's like almost like a city that was built in the collapsed part of a volcano, and it's a really pretty place. I've actually done a video on El Valle Anton before, and I'll try to link it up here. You should check that out. It's a pretty epic video, and you know, we're checking out a couple of waterfalls, some views, and now we're in the market checking out some fresh produce and so on. So this tour has been really informational so far, and just to think that 2 days ago we were in Portobello and now we're here, it's pretty fun. We're going back to the city next and doing some tours in there, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so I realized I didn't actually close that vlog off properly, and I'll take the opportunity now to apologize for my mini hiatus over the past couple of weeks. I was depending on certain things and certain people to get some episodes done, which is a bad strategy. So I've been re-strategizing and bringing you some really good stuff over the next couple of weeks. And we have rock climbing coming next week, which I've already done. That's going to be a really cool episode, and a couple other surprises in between, and an update video to just kind of let you all know what's happening with me and my status and me going back to Trinidad, etc. So that's coming up this week as well. So thank you for viewing that tour. It was really fun. It was really informational, and I will leave the information below for you to contact Joyce and the Blast team to be able to sign up for their tours, etc. And until the next one, which is next week, let's do this.